Hello there mga ka-chicks! Welcome to my small vlog. For today's video, tayo ay dumalo sa Sabay Thai Massage para magpamasahe ng 1.5 oras ng ating buong katawan. It's a body massage for women located in Al Nasser. They have also a Sabay Men Massage located in Lusail, so you have to try it out there, guys. For Sabay Thai Massage for ladies, they have also in Al Mirkab. That is their branch there. They're always open until 10 p.m. You have to book your appointment para makapagpamasahe kayo kasi sobrang hectic or sobrang dami ng nagpapamasahe sa kanila. So you have to call them to do some appointment. For sure guys, paglabas ninyo ng massage room, isa lang ang magiging reaction ninyo. Sobrang sarap ng kanilang masahe. Yung kanilang mga masahista, it's all originally from Thailand. So, nung paglabas namin ng massage room, we are all satisfied and we are all feel better, relax, nakapag-renew kami ng aming energy. So, ayun yung mga price list nila. Yung 1.5 hour, ang binayaran namin is 135 Qatar riyals. Thank you for my sponsor. And we are really feel good and satisfied for the massage of Sabay Therapist. Thank you so much, Sabay. Bye.